What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Remember that Wild Fork sweet Italian sausage? We cooking it today, and it's gonna be tasty. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and oil our griddle. Now that's olive oil that we're using. And we're gonna go ahead and get that all around the griddle and get it all ready for our sausage. Now once we got our oil all over, we're gonna go ahead and get on our bell pepper. And then some of our Italian sausage that I've just cut in half, y'all. All I did was cut in half. Right down the middle. Now for the sandwiches that we are making, this is enough for 3 sandwiches. And of course, we need to give those bell peppers a mixy mix. Then it's time to go ahead and rain on them. Hit them with a little salt. And of course, give it another mix to let that salt start breaking down that bell pepper. Now after about 3 minutes on the first side, it's time to give this sausage a flippy flip. As you can see, one spot on my griddle is kind of cold, I guess. It's not cooking as fast as the other, so we're going to rearrange our sausage accordingly. So after about another 3 minutes, I think we done, y'all. I think we done. Our sausage is looking good. Now, we're cooking at a medium temperature. So, understand, that's where I get my times from. Cooking at medium. Not high, not low, y'all. Medium. So anyway, let's go ahead and start getting some of this sausage off. And let's start building our sandwich. So we're gonna start off with a toasted deli roll. Now on mine, I'm gonna have me a little mayo. Some of that whole grain mustard that I like so much. Our sausage. Oh yeah. That beautiful grilled bell pepper. And for me, had to have me some lettuce. Y'all know how I am about my veg, y'all. I love my veg. But y'all already know that. But anyway, let's go ahead and cut this in half. See what we're working with. And look at that, y'all. Look at that. This was so tasty, y'all. I would definitely recommend that Wild Fork sweet Italian sausage. Gotta get you some. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.